Coach Cherry Lou de Guzman. So, tinatawagan ko na po. Coach Cherry Lou, good morning.
Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you, Coach Xiao. Ayan, so before I start to share my topic, let me share my wellness journey in Herbalife. So I'm Cherry Ludi Guzman from Sukat, Parañaque. Ginamit ko yung product initially for weight loss. So nag-start lang ako ng 10 days. Alam niyo na yung gano'n na initially yun yung pinropose sa akin ng coach ko. But hindi ang goal ko lang kasi is mag-lose ng weight pero hindi yun ang nagustuhan ko dito kasi with my journey, tuloy-tuloy ko lang siyang ginamit. Pinalitan ko lang ang aking breakfast, ng ating aloe tea and shake. Nag-add lang ako ng supplements ng favorite ko, vitamins and minerals, cell complex, nandyan din yung fiber and herb, fiber band, active fiber, ang probiotic, Nightworks, MRG. Halos lahat talaga ginamit ko kasi alam ko marami ang mabibigay ng na nutrition or maganda ang effect talaga sa body ko. So amazingly, throughout my journey, nag-lose po ako ng 36 pounds and 5 inches in my waistline. And on top of that, at my age, magsi-60 na po ako next year, wala po akong maintenance medication. So dun pa lang po talaga so grateful with Herbalife. So ang background ko po, dati po akong businesswoman for 17 years. Ang challenge ko lang po sa business ko, kumikita naman. Kasi distributor po ako ng soft drinks sa aming area. So, ang hindi ko lang talaga, ang naging challenge ko is sedentary ang lifestyle. Nagain talaga ako ng weight. Very low ang aking self-confidence that time. And wala akong freedom of time. So, dun ako talaga masyadong na-stress. So, ang ginawa ko po, grateful with Herbalife, little by little, inaral ko siya. And dito ko natutunan paano ko alagaan ang health ko. Kasi sabi nga ng mga leaders natin, if sa training na naatenan ko, if love mo yung family mo, unahin mong mahalin at alagaan ang sarili mo for them para hindi tayo maging burden sa kanila. So yun po talaga yung ginawa ko para then after that, nag-attend ako ng mga trainings, na-learn ko about health and wellness dito and nag-share na ako sa ating community. Pinagamit ko na rin ang aking pamilya, syempre sila muna inuna ko, then nag-share ako sa community namin, sa mga friends and relatives ko. And excited ako sa na-mention ni Coach Xiao kanina sa ating upcoming spectacular. Kasi dito ko nakita ang vision, ang mission ng company. Paano ka makatulong? Yung purpose ko, dito ko talaga siya nakita. Paano ka makatulong sa community mo and sa hindi lang sa health, pero pwede ka rin makatulong when it comes to income opportunity. That's why I really love Herbalife. So proceed na po tayo sa aking topic. Ang topic ko po is 5 ways to encourage kids to play and stay active by po na share ni Samantha Clayton. So nasa point na po tayo na normal sa atin not to move during the day kasi nasasanay na tayo na very sedentary talaga yung ating lifestyle. And ang hindi maganda dito is hindi na tayo nagiging mindful na nasa high risk na tayo in making decisions that are not good to our human body. So nagre-result ito na syempre madami sa atin bata pa lang nagkakaroon na ng mga illnesses. Marami tayong naririnig na nagkakaroon sila ng mga high blood, diabetes kasi nga because of the lifestyle. And ang isa na dyan, yung extra weight. And sad part pa doon, when it comes to children and exercise, malaki din ang nagiging impact. Why? Because according to World Health Organization, there are 41 million, imagine, overweight or obese infant and young children. So if current trends daw magkukontinue ng ganyan, by end of this year, magiging 70 million na to by end of 2025. So very alarming, 'di ba? So next slide po. Ayan. Ang sabi niya, one of the positive aspect of physical activity beside health benefits is that it can be really fun talaga. However, yung mga cars, entertainment, and technology have made us less active. Kasi nga, napansin ko rin, no, kahit ako, for myself, pwede ko namang lakarin kasi ang lapit lang. Pero, since mas madali para sa akin, na magsumakay. So, yun na lang talaga yung nagiging option ko minsan. And especially yung technology, di ba, halos lahat tayo merong gadgets. Even mga bata pa lang meron na kasi need naman nila talaga yan sa school. And ito yung nagiging cause cause bakit tayo nagiging less active. So to avoid that, ngayon pa lang, tayo mga parents, let's encourage our children to move by helping them to create healthier lifestyle. Kasi the younger the children develop physical activity and good nutrition habit, magiging pag-age nila, nagkaroon sila ng family, they will maintain them for life. So, ito po yung mga tips or na-share ni Samantha Clayton to get kids off the couch and on their feet. So, next slide po. Ayan. So, sabi niya, 5 ways to encourage kids to play and stay active. Number 1, make it family activity. So, make exercising part of spending quality time with the family. Syempre, lead by example. Mas magiging active tayo or ang mga bata kung nakikita nila tayong mga parents mismo and family ay physically active din. So, also, plan activities together. So, hindi lang tayo lagi ang magde-decide. Isalin natin sila sa pagpili ng mga activities na gusto nila. Like, pwede dyan yung hiking, biking, swimming, or playing. So, kami at ang family ko, kasi isa na lang yung natitirang anak ko. So, mostly, kami lagi nature trip ang gusto namin. So, nag-hike kami. Sineset talaga namin yung time na yan para makapag-hike. So, sometimes, kasi minsan sa busy, hindi na natin na nalulook forward yung mga ganyan. So, kaya set aside dedicated time. Dapat i-schedule natin and regular family activity time. Consider it as important appointment. Dapat pala gawin nating appointment yun. So blessed kasi sa community na to kasi dito na-open talaga yung mind ko na kailangan talagang balanse. We have 80% nutrition and 20% exercise. Dito ko na-apply talaga yon and make it fun. Kailangan hindi nila maramdaman na obligasyon nila yon. So focus sa bonding, hindi sa strict exercise kasi mas magiging masaya ang lahat pag ginawa natin yon. So next slide po. Get the TV out of their room. Ayan. So sabi dito, if it might be tempting kasi for children, even sa atin, di ba, napansin nyo, if tayo magstay sa bed na mayroon tayong TV at our room. Bakit? Kasi nga, naglilid ito sa pwede silang maglaro or pwede silang mag-watch ng Netflix all day long, hindi na nila napapansin yung oras. And ang hindi pa maganda, sa pag-enjoy nila sa kanilang panonood, na nagkakaroon na sila ng sedentary lifestyle. So to reduce the temptation, first, kailangan natin ma-reduce yung screen time ng ating mga anak kasi nakakadagdag ito sa pagiging sedentary, gaya na na-mention ko, and nakakabawas to sa physical activities. Pag walang TV sa room, it also promotes better sleep. Kasi alam niyo po ba na sleep is extremely important for kids because it affects their physical and mental development, 'di ba? Kasi nga puro sila nood ng nood, hindi na naapektuhan ng kanilang activity, physical activity. And nakakatulong 'yan kung maganda ang sleep nila, nakakatulong 'yan for their academic performance and overall well-being. So let's also encourage alternative activities. Kung walang TV kasi mas maglalaro sila, mas magbabasa or makikipag-bonding sa atin. So next slide po. Ayan. So sabi niya, get creative. Keep exercise fun for children and make sure to include diverse activities. Kasi paano natin gagawin yan? Think outside the box. Hindi kailangan structured ang physical activity natin. Encourage natin sila na mag-isip ng mga bagong ways para gumalaw. So make it playful and provide variety. So variety kasi is a key to keep exercise fun for children. Mas mag-enjoy kasi sila. So make sure to include diverse activities. Pwede silang mag-dance, pwede silang mag-play ng basketball at the same time, pwede silang maglaro sa backyard nila kung meron kayong gardens. And ang fun way to mix it up, sabi ni Samantha, is writing different exercises sa flashcard and then let them pick kung ano yung dapat na pwede nilang gawin. In that way, kung ano yung mabunot nila, di ba, mas excited sila, mafe-feel mo yung excitement sa mga bata. And magiging happy sila. So next slide po is So, syempre, let your child lead. Kids are more likely to be engaged if they feel na the ideas is theirs. Di ba? Ganun naman, parang bida-bida ba? Di ba? Laging gusto ng ating mga anak, sila yung bida. Syempre, mga bata pa yan. So, let your child choose the family's activity. So, by empower kids to make choices. Mahayaan silang pumili. And then, children are more likely to commit something na sila ang may idea. Mas magko-commit sila. And, ang maganda pa dito, if sila ang nakapili ng activity, ang family is mas mag-i-engage in. Yun ang gustong-gusto talaga ng mga bata. So support their interest, hindi yung interest natin. Kailangan yung interest din nila para ma-encourage sila na mag-explore ng iba't ibang sports or hobbies and activities. So also focus on fun and intrinsic motivation. Pag gusto kasi ng bata ang activity, mas mag-stick sila dito, whether it's playing basketball ba yan, or dancing, or any activity. Try to be encouraging and empowering them to make them choose these small choices. Okay, so next slide. Ito na po yung last. Get pedometers for the family. A bit of healthy competition kasi ito might make wonders for your kids' motivation. So, track progress and set goals. Mas makakatulong ang pedometers natin para i-track yung mga steps at mag-set ng goals. Pwede natin gamitin or i-download natin. Meron tayong hub, diba? Yung Herbalife Hub. Pwede natin i-download dyan. You can ask your coaches kung papaano, kung ikaw naman ay bago. Just join Herbalife, makaka-access ka dyan. So make it a challenge, gawing competition, healthy competition, para ma-motivate ang lahat na gumalaw. And don't forget, syempre, no, once na may naka-achieve na, celebrate achievements. Yun ang maganda. Kasi i-reward natin ang family member na nag-reach, sa pag-reach nila ng goals nila, para mas lalo silang mas ma-motivate and maging excited pa sa next schedule ng family activity. Okay. So, remember, next slide po, to pair these activities with good and balanced nutrition. Diba? So, yun naman kaya we are so blessed kasi hindi tayo mag-worry kasi andyan sa Herbalife, meron na tayong nutrition. Ang kailangan, dito rin, meron tayong sinasuggest, diba, na 80% nutrition, 20% exercise. So, when discussing child obesity prevention, we need not to focus on physical activity and nutrition only. So, but also on making sure kids feel motivated and in a supportive environment. So, thank you, and that ends my topic. Hope you learned something from what I shared today. Back to you, Coach Xiao.
Wow, yes, Coach. Ang dami naming natutunan and mga tips especially sa mga parents na tulad namin, no? So, yan, mas marami ng time ma-enjoy yung together with, bonding together with my family and kids. So, yes, let's say thank you naman, no, kay Coach, sa ating guest speaker for today. Yes, si Coach Sherry Lu sa kanyang napakagandang topic for today. So, I hope marami kayong natutunan. Yan, so mag-comment naman tayo ng thank you. Or if pwede po kayong mag-unmute, yan, para masabihan natin si Coach Sherry Lu ng thank you.
Thank you. Ako, i-unmute ko lang sila lahat.
Thank you po.
Wait lang, everyone. Ayan. Alright. Sige, go ahead. Thank you, Chow. Thank you, Che. And then, of course, kay Monica kanina. Ayan. So, guys, mag-open na kayo ng mic nyo. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Dean, Nida, lahat ng mga tumulong today, Joy. And of course, Chow, I like your pendant. Focus mo nga yung pendant mo. Yan. O, saan mo nabili yan? O,
Ang ganda, Herbalife.
Herbalife. O, diba si Chow? Ganda. Naka-branding. Alright, let's go. Thank you, everyone. Nag-shake. Si Jessie, ano kinakain mo? Oats? Ano tawag dito? O din si Nemna, nag-kain. Nag-shake. Ito, nag-tea. Oh, ayan, si Nemna. Oh, may inom.
Everyone, thank you.
Si Jing din.
Hello, Miss Jocelyn Tianyo.
Ayan.
Thank you po.
Inom din siya. Si Ma'am Jocelyn, ginaw na ginaw ka, Ma'am.
Kaya nga, galing.
Oo, tapos.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Aster. Si Aster,
Thank you po.
papakayo. Okay na, let's go. Music. Thank you, Sally. Sally, nag-shake din.
Thank you.
Saya, no?
You can simply be the best. Fear and worries will all fade if you say yes.
Be the girl. Yeah.
Yes. Join us now. Live your life, feel alive. Herbalife. Yes. To a better you. You can simply be the best. Fear and worries will all fade if you say
Pero
yes.
Coach Aster, sabi skincare yata si Coach.
Coach Pastor, belated happy birthday.
Join us now. Live your life, feel alive.
Coach Cecil, ang ganda ng background. Yes.
Aha. Reference team and beyond.
Yes.
Ayan na ano eh. Yun ang ano ngayon dun sa FTR. Day 1. Ang dati day 1 na lang.
Yes, day 1.
Pag nag-complain ka, day 2 yan. Pag wala kang ginawa ngayon, day 2 na yan. Kaya dapat day 1 ng day 1. Okay. Thank you,
Bye,
everyone.
everyone.
God bless you all. Bye.